Karina, born in 1994, has been working in the education field for several years. Long hours at the computer and repetitive tasks gradually took a toll on her neck and shoulders. What began as occasional stiffness soon developed into constant pain, headaches, and fatigue, affecting her work, sleep, and daily life. After trying various treatments with only temporary relief, she turned to acupuncture, and that's where her journey toward real healing began. Today, Karina enjoys her work and daily life, free from the pain and fatigue that once held her back, and with a renewed sense of energy and well-being.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Karina. I am 31 years old. I am a behavioral analyst. I work with kids with autism from ages 2 to 5 years old.
Do you think your lifestyle and work have affected your pain condition?
I think part of it does. I experience daily stress, just like emotional stress, like from different families bringing different like situations to my life and having to deal with like multiple people and different perspectives, and just, you know, being the head of that and being in charge of like managing all those challenging situations on a daily basis.
How was your condition when you first came to the clinic?
I like to tell Acupuncture that when I first came in, I had pain on a daily basis. I did try to apply like ointments or pain medication on a daily basis, even multiple times per day. And thankfully now, like, I've been able to not have to use any pain medication throughout my days or weeks. So it was very severe, like maybe like an 8 to 10 pain per day, pain level per day.
I've heard that after just 5 sessions of treatment, your pain was gone. How is your condition now overall?
Out of 10, I would say it's on a weekly basis, it's between like 0 to 1. But if it's ever a 1, it's temporary, like it's like a night thing, and next day I wake up great. But thankfully over the past 2 weeks or more, I haven't had a pain that has lasted across a whole day. I just, you know, been able to manage like everything on my own.
That's great. What is your plan for maintaining this good condition?
I'm hoping to first start off once every 2 weeks and just see how that feels. Like, I've been able to like just consider how my pain has been over the past like maybe a month, and it has been very, very low. So with the hopes that maybe doing once every 2 weeks and see how that feels. If it doesn't, then move back to once a week. But thankfully these past 2 weeks I haven't had any pain.
How well do you feel educated about acupuncture treatment now?
I would say I know the basics of acupuncture. I don't know everything. I like to learn a lot about it. When I first started, I had to learn what I needed to do to prepare myself, what I needed to do before and after my care, my treatments, and even throughout. I think this is a holistic approach that I was really interested in doing, because I believe that you have to incorporate a healthy life into your daily life, whether it's eating, managing stress, and this was just gonna help me better support that. So I just learned a little bit, of course, always asking like, why am I getting like different needles here, or like, you know, like how is my pain looking, or how is this affecting, why am I getting these shocks like at night too, just like asking those questions. But I think it's a very cool medicine that I want to continue to learn and like encourage others to try, because it's very natural and like you can incorporate it into your daily lives.
Finally, would you be willing to introduce acupuncture treatment to others?
I would definitely recommend acupuncture to other people. I have told actually a lot of people about it, because Prior to Kim's acupuncture, I did try other methods such as physical therapy, chiropractor, and maybe those therapies do work for other people, but personally it didn't work for me. And acupuncture has been like what has worked the best. So I have told a lot of people to give it a try. I think it's a different approach that maybe a lot of people don't know about. So I do encourage them and let them know, like, it might seem scary, but it's not. I know personally I'm not a big fan of needles, but it's something that I prepare myself every time I come in, and like I actually really enjoy it at the end of the day.
Thank you for your time.
Cervicalgia is the medical term for neck pain. It can result from many causes, such as muscle strain, poor posture, repetitive movements, or even stress. People with cervicalgia often experience stiffness, aching, or sharp pain in the neck and shoulder area. Other common symptoms include headaches, limited neck mobility, muscle tightness, and sometimes numbness or tingling radiating into the shoulders or arms. Early diagnosis and proper treatment, including acupuncture, can help relieve symptoms and improve neck function. Since the underlying cause matters, please click below to learn more about how acupuncture can help with your neck and shoulder pain.